Can we shift gears just a tiny bit? Okay, we talked about geofencing, what it is, some of the strategies that you guys use and all that. But okay, so let's say I walk into your geofence here and I'm a marked man now. And now I'm going to piggyback that to all of my family and all that. Can we talk about, okay, so now what? Like what are you showing them? What are the, in the business, the ad creatives that you're actually showing them? Can we talk about that a little bit?
Sure. Biggest washers, hottest dryers, in and out, and Laundromat now, their machines get you in and out in 35 minutes if you really want to sort of dash and do your laundry as quickly as possible. But we speak to the benefits of the biggest washers, hottest dryers, getting you in and out as quickly as possible. In some cities, we run ads that talk about the safest or the cleanest. For a lot of the Spanish creatives, because we know that people tend to do laundry together as a family, go to the same place, we talk about a family atmosphere that might be, in the ad. And then, it's very important, no matter what kind of advertising you're doing, it's important that your ad creative that someone sees on their phone or on their computer matches the promise that they get when they're coming to your website or when they come to the landing page. So what we do to make the whole experience without friction is the ads, the creative message will both match for your ad and for your landing page. But on the landing page, Barbara and I we embed a Google map. So we're literally showing them how to get to your store. And it doesn't matter if you have 30 stores, we built a custom, Google map on each landing page so people can see how close they are to one of your stores.
And if they want to go right then and there, they'll just pop it and get directions.